I didn't realize how much of my peace I was giving away until I started saying no. So these are the things I stopped doing for my mental health, and I swear life feels lighter. Hi guys, what's up? This is me Drumi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you have read by the title, we will be discussing 5 things that I stopped doing for my mental health, and you should even stop doing these things. The first point is saying yes to everything. I used to say yes to everything, every plan, every extra task, every can you do this for me? I literally said yes to everything even though I didn't want to do that task. Even though I felt exhausted, but I said yes. You know why? Because I thought it made me feel nice. बस वही मुझे लगता था, लेकिन ऐसा कभी नहीं था. अभी I don't say yes if I don't want to include in that plan. If I don't want to do that task, I will politely decline it. And guess what? The world didn't end. Like, I've now started to ask myself this question, which is, do I actually want to do this? And if the answer is no, of course I will decline it. So basically you do not need to say yes to everything. अगर आपको वो task नहीं करना है तो just say no. The world will not end by you saying no. The second task is overthinking every little thing. I can literally spend hours replaying that 3-second conversation, thinking, did I sound weird? Did they mean something else? Yeah, मैं ये सब सोचती हूँ, and it ruins your mental peace, honestly. Now to overcome this, we have a trick. Ask yourself a question, will this matter in 5 years? And if not, let it go. You do not need to think repeatedly, because of course वो useful रहेगा नहीं, आप अपना ही mental peace ruin कर रहे हो. So you do not need to think that things repeatedly, just let it go. Overthinking doesn't change the past, it just ruins your present. So it's better not to think about it, not to overthink every little thing. Just ask yourself a question. That's it. The third thing is pleasing everyone at your own cost. So it's practically not possible that everyone will like you. Even if you try your best, even if you give your best, it's just not possible that everyone will appreciate you. Someone will still find a reason to complain. You know what? Once I accepted that, I stopped bending over backward to make everyone happy. My peace is more important to me. I feel if people don't like you, let them not like you. उसमें आपका कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. जो आपको अप्रिशिएट करते हैं उनके सराउंडिंग में ही रहो तो बेटर रहेगा. आपको वो पॉजिटिव फील कराएंगे, and yeah, you will feel better rather than keeping those people who never appreciate you in your life. The fourth point is comparing yourself to others. Whether you are comparing people online or offline, it will drain you. If I talk about social media, nobody posts their bad days, and if they do, some people come and say that they are taking empathy. Though it's just not about social media, in general also you shouldn't compare yourself. Like, you and the person you are comparing with, your life is different. You shouldn't compare कि आपकी लाइफ में ये हुआ, उनकी लाइफ में तो और अच्छा हो रहा है. No need to do that. You know what? Your life is different, so it's better. Why are you comparing if your life is different? उसको किसी और पाथ पे जाना है, आप किसी और पाथ पे जा रहे हो, और इवन तो आप सेम पाथ पे, आप सेम लाइन में हो, तो भी आपको कंपैरिजन करने की कोई भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज इट विल जस्ट ड्रेन योर एनर्जी. एंड हमें वो नहीं करना, हमें हमारी एनर्जी प्रिजर्व करके रखनी है फॉर गुड पीपल. एंड आई अंडरस्टैंड कंपैरिजन एंड करने में टाइम लगता है, बट यू नो व्हाट, लेट मी गिव यू अ प्रो टिप. सो द प्रो टिप इज exclude them. Yeah, you heard it right. Just remove them from your life. आप भूल जाओ ऐसा कोई exist करता है जिससे आप comparison कर रहे हो. So I think it will really help you. So yeah, just remove them. Now the last and very important point is keeping toxic people in your life. Now removing toxic people wasn't easy, but of course it was very necessary. अभी आपकी लाइफ में भी बहुत सारे टॉक्सिक लोग हो गए, and it's very important to just throw them away from your life, because they will just drain your energy and use your precious time. Like, for a moment you will feel that, oh, you are so happy with them, you are so happy with that person, and the next moment you will feel कि यार नहीं यार, you know, you are not feeling well with that person. It's a sign of toxic personality. I mean, I know it will take courage to just remove them, because कभी-कभी आपको लगने लगता है that it's not, you know, possible to live without them, but trust me, when you will throw them away, you will generally feel that your life is better and you are going in the right direction. Protecting your peace isn't selfish, it's necessary. Once you stop doing the things that drains your energy, trust me, your life will feel way better and you will be very happy in your life, and you will even make space for things that actually makes you happy. So I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something useful that you can actually imply in your life. And yeah, that's it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. And ये video मैंने actually खड़े खड़े shoot करा है because I thought frame अच्छा है. But let me know in the comments how did you like the video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care and bye.